Tired of your outdated kitchen cabinets but don't want to break the bank? Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, Home Shelf Liners. First up is the Home Shelf Liners, priced at just $5.84. What caught my eye was the waterproof and oil-proof features, making it a great choice for anyone looking to protect their cabinets. If you want to keep your shelves clean and stylish, this is worth a serious look. The Home Liners are made from BPA-free EVA material, which means they're safe for food contact. Measuring 59 by 11.8 inches, you can cut them to fit any shelf size you need. The waterproof and oil-proof properties mean spills won't ruin your cabinets, and cleaning is as simple as wiping them down. With over 1,000 units sold in the past month, it's clear many people are finding value in this product. Now, some people complained about the size being small for larger cabinets. Here's the thing though, you can buy multiple rolls, and at this price point, it's still a good deal for the quality you get. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable and functional solution to protect your cabinets. Skip this one if you have larger shelves that need coverage, but for small to medium cabinets, it's a solid choice. Now, if the size of the Home Liners worried you, the next option offers a longer length. Product number 2, GTJ Drawer and Shelf Liner. Next up is the GTJ Drawer and Shelf Liner, which comes in at $10.16. I love the stylish square stripes design, and the fact that it's 20 feet long caught my attention right away. If you want something that's not only functional but also looks good, this should be on your radar. This liner is non-adhesive and waterproof, making it a breeze to clean. The strong grip means it stays put, so you won't have to worry about it sliding around. Plus, it protects your furniture from moisture, stains, and scratches. With a premium vinyl material, it's BPA-free and designed to last, making it an excellent choice for anyone who values quality. Over 700 people have bought this in the last month, which shows it's popular. Now, some users found it a bit tricky to cut to size, especially without the included knife. But honestly, if you take your time, it's manageable, and I think the quality makes it worth the effort. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a stylish liner that can handle everyday use. Skip this one if you want a ready-to-use product with no cutting required, but overall, it's a great value. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who love a touch of elegance. Product number 3, Aliexpress Shelf and Drawer Liner. Coming in at number 3 is the Aliexpress Shelf and Drawer Liner, priced at $11.99. What stood out to me is its beautiful butterfly floral design, which adds a lovely touch to any kitchen. If you're looking for functionality with a splash of style, this is one to consider. This non-adhesive liner features a strong grip that keeps it in place, which is essential when you're placing dishes or utensils on it. Made of thickened PVC, it's also waterproof, so any spills can be easily wiped away. Plus, at 10 feet long, it's perfect for larger projects or multiple cabinets. The colors and patterns can truly enhance your kitchen aesthetics. It's also gaining popularity with 700 units sold in the last month. However, some users mentioned that the floral pattern might not fit all decor styles. Here's the thing, if you love a bit of flair in your kitchen, this won't be a deal breaker. It's all about personal taste. This is perfect for you if you want something that combines beauty with practicality. Skip this one if you prefer plain designs, but if you're willing to embrace a little color, you'll love it. Now, if you're looking for something a bit more hands-on, the next product might be your perfect match. Product number 4, Measure Pro Hardware Template Kit. Next is the Measure Pro Cabinet Door and Drawer Hardware Installation Template Kit, priced at $9.89. What caught my eye is how it simplifies the installation of cabinet handles and knobs. If you're a DIY enthusiast, this kit is definitely worth considering. This template kit allows for precise drilling of handles with various spacings, accommodating everything from standard knobs to wider handles. It includes 2 templates and a high-speed drill bit, which means you have everything you need for a successful install. Made from durable plastic, it's designed for repeated use, which is great for anyone planning multiple projects. With over 500 units sold recently, many DIYers are benefiting from this tool. Some users mention that it requires some experience with drilling, which could be intimidating for beginners. But honestly, if you follow the included instructions and take your time, it's a manageable task that can save you a lot of headaches down the line. This is perfect for you if you're confident in your DIY skills and want to upgrade your cabinets efficiently. Skip this one if you're not comfortable with drilling, but for those who are, it's a fantastic value. Now, if you're looking for a quick aesthetic upgrade, the last product might be just what you need. Product number 5, Aliexpress Marble Peel and Stick Wallpaper. Finally, we have the Aliexpress Glossy Marble Peel and Stick Wallpaper, priced at $7.98. This caught my attention because it's an easy way to give your cabinets a fresh, modern look without a complete overhaul. If you want a stylish upgrade on a budget, this is a fantastic option. The self-adhesive design means no messy glues and it's waterproof, so it's perfect for kitchen use. The marble design gives a sophisticated touch that can instantly elevate your kitchen's aesthetics. With a decent number of units sold, it seems like many are finding this to be a smart choice. Now, some users reported that it can be tricky to align perfectly, leading to air bubbles. Here's the thing though, if you take your time and apply it slowly, you can achieve a smooth finish, and it's a small price to pay for a beautiful new look. This is perfect for you if you want a no-fuss way to refresh your cabinets. Skip this one if you're not confident in your ability to apply wallpaper, but at this price, it's worth a shot. So if you're looking for a quick and easy kitchen transformation, this is an excellent pick. To recap, the Stahome shelf liners are great for basic protection, while the GTJ drawer and shelf liner adds style and length. The Aliexpress shelf liner is perfect for those who want beauty mixed with functionality, and the Measure Pro kit is essential for the DIYer. Lastly, the Aliexpress wallpaper offers a stylish upgrade at a low cost. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Aliexpress shelf and drawer liner because it strikes the best balance between functionality and aesthetics. The one to avoid, the Measure Pro template kit if you're not confident in your DIY skills. I've put all the links in the description below, check them out, and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.